Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another vlog of property. I'm here at Bukawe, MacArthur, Bukawe, Bulacan, along National Road of Bukawe. For sale by the owners to title 1,084 square meter, 721 square meter plus 363 square meters equals 1,084 square meters. Possible for 40-footer. Kasya dyan ang malalaking truck. 25 meters more or less ang frontage facing northwest. Ayan po. Vacant lot na po yan. Pagpapatayuan nyo yan, need yung tambakan para mas mataas yung property kaysa sa kalsada. Kasi alam nyo naman na MacArthur, lagi po yan nagtataas. Kailangan mas mataas yan. Pwede po siyang warehouse, land banking, mga fast food, building commercial, kasi i-classified na po yan ng BIR as commercial regular kasi along National Road na po yan eh. Tsaka ang kahilera niyan, gasoline na, 3 minutes away from Pure Gold Bukawe, sa gilid po ng Bukawe, may daan po doon Philippine Arena, nandun po ang munisipyo ng Bukawe, tapos papunta na ng Santa Maria. Tapos 5 minutes away from Bukawe Bridge, 16 minutes away from Toll Plaza NLEX Bukawe. What are you waiting for? Direct inbox me 0933-813-7110. 1,084 square meter, vacant lot, possible from 440-footers truck. Hindi po ako nakadirect dyan, may nakadirect po. Pero dalaw po kami ng kasama ko sa buyer side. Bye from now! 1,084 square meter, negotiable po ang presyo, nego po ang presyo, makipag-ugnayan lang po, direct inbox me, direct buyer only po yan ha, pas muna sa agent, after viewing, mag-counter offer na lang po ng presyo nyo, 1,084 square meter with frontage of less than 25 meters ang frontage.